Good morning. It is now Sunday morning. It is 2 days after I made my first video and I've had the work done. As you can see, the holly is gone. In addition, my ash tree got pruned up. It is not hanging over the house nearly as much, or my neighbor's cars or yard. That is wonderful. You could see the corner of the house. It's amazing how much light that holly was blocking. Anyway, things are still looking a little bit rough because the equipment was all just in here grinding stuffs yesterday. But here's where the holly was. Right there. You could see where the rhododendron was dying back because it wasn't getting enough light. Now it will. You could see clear back to my gate. You could see the whole side yard. It's kind of amazing. The apple tree ended up getting taken out, but it got dug out with the stump attached, so there's still some hope it will be relocated and survive if it gets lucky. The bushes there they were lilac bushes, not butterfly bushes. They are gone. The ground is still rather rough. I think once I dig out all these bulbs, I'll probably lay down a layer of the ample amount of bark chips that I now have, or wood chips. So that is great. That will be the side yard. And in addition, in the backyard, I had some trimming done, as you can see, on the apple trees. So they are much more confined, much more manageable, much more at a pickable height, much less overgrown, cut away from the shed a little bit. Yeah, you can see the apple trees better now. Some of those long overhanging limbs that previously went out into the middle of the yard have been taken back. And so they're also no longer overhanging in this back fence to my back neighbors. And some of their limbs are no longer hanging into my tree quite as much, my yard quite as much, or into the power lines. So that is great. You can see my multicolored bark chip pile over here, where we dumped all the wood from the various vegetation that was removed and taken out. Yeah, lots of various wood chips that will be useful to me in my landscaping in the future. They're just decorative, I guess. They're heavy because they're wet, but they're just, they're not in the ground. And same is true for this one, even though it had some roots on it. This is also able just to be picked up and moved. I think I will keep them, not here for now, but what I will do probably is once I get my side yard established, I'll probably put these in there as little features for bee habitat or yeah, insect pollinator habitat. Yeah, I feel really good about the work that was done. I'm really excited. Obviously still a lot of work left to do, but it just feels a lot more open, feels a lot more better sense of space, a lot more light, so I'm very happy.